Most crypto wallets rely on a single private key to control your assets. That single point of control creates risk and limits what a wallet can actually do. Bron removes that limitation. Instead of a single private key or seed phrase, Bron uses multi-party computation, MPC, a cryptographic method that distributes control across multiple secure components. No single person, device, or system ever holds full access to your wallet. Here is how MPC architecture works in Bron. When a Bron wallet is created, a public wallet address is generated, and 3 encrypted shards are created. These shards replace the traditional private key, so no private key is ever created or stored. To operate your wallet, 2 out of 3 shards are required to approve a transaction, and no single shard can move funds on its own. Each Bron account uses its own unique set of shards. All shards are encrypted and isolated, meaning one shard alone cannot be used to access or reconstruct the wallet. Each shard is stored separately to eliminate single points of failure. Shard 1 is held by you, stored securely on your device, encrypted by your biometrics, so simply stealing it will not give a hacker anything at all. Shard 2 is managed by Bron, used only to co-sign transactions you initiate. Shard 3 is held by a trusted third party, Qrypt. Qrypt is a company specializing in secure cryptographic infrastructure and provides security solutions to governments, banks, and large enterprises. Qrypt operates independently from Bron and acts solely on behalf of the user, participating only in recovery procedures and verifying the user's identity without requiring KYC. Bron has no operational relationship with Qrypt, and the 2 parties cannot access or move funds together. Using a trusted third party is an essential part of Bron's resilience, as it ensures you can recover your wallet even if Bron becomes unavailable. They are strictly limited to secure backup and recovery. If recovery is required, you can initiate the process by logging in with your email and passkey. At your request, Qrypt will collaborate with Bron to securely reconstruct the missing shard. For daily transactions, only your shard and Bron's shard are required. The signing process always starts with you. When you approve a transaction using your shard, Bron automatically adds its co-signature to complete the authorization. Bron cannot initiate transactions, move funds independently, or act without your explicit approval. It only executes instructions that you authorize. This architecture makes our policy engine possible because Bron participates in the signing process, but does not control a full key. So it enforces predefined rules before co-signing a transaction. These policies can include spending limits, withdrawal protections, time delays, or other safeguards designed to protect your assets. Bron will only co-sign transactions that comply with the policies you have set. And best of all, it's blockchain agnostic. The same underlying mechanism also enables Bron's digital inheritance feature. From a technical perspective, inheritance uses the same secure recovery process used to reconstruct a missing shard. The difference is that instead of restoring access to you, the process is executed in favor of designated recipients that you have selected in advance. Once the conditions you defined are met, the system collaborates with the designated parties to reconstruct access for the recipients in a secure and controlled way. Bron's MPC architecture ensures that your wallet remains secure, recoverable, and self-custodial. No matter if a device is lost, a system goes offline, or one component fails, control remains with you and your assets stay protected. Bron. Crypto without fear.